From last week, I started using this super technique and it is working like magic. What is this technique, how you can use it, and for what you can use it? Everything we are going to share in this video. So if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. My name is Beshu Bhargava. I am a law of attraction and Hooponopono coach, and we keep bringing any video or technique that can help you to advance in your own life. So what this technique is about and what am I talking? So this is a Hooponopono technique and it is known as 444 technique of Hooponopono. I've recently started using it and these are the steps in which you can also use it. And remember to watch till the end because definitely the last step will be shared at the end. So step number 1 is take a deep breath. Breathe in, breathe out, and think about any situation or problem for which you want to do or apply this particular technique. Step number 2 is repeat these 4 sentences with me right now for that problem. So you can say, dear situation, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. These 4 magical sentences are of Hooponopono and they work like magic. Step number 3 is repeat these 4 sentences for 4 times. So this becomes 2 fours, like you have to repeat 4 sentences for 4 times. And step number 4, which is the last step, is that you have to repeat these 3 steps for 4 times in a day. So anything, for any situation, for any problem, if you want to apply 444 technique, you have to think about that problem, take a deep breath. Say these 4 sentences 4 times and repeat it for 4 times in a day. Is there any specific timing to do that? No, there are no specific timings. You can do it any time of the day which is comfortable for you. And can you do it for any situation? Yes, you can do it for any situation and for all problems. And since you are doing it for the first time or maybe you've already tried it, your question could be how long you have to do it. Maybe you can do it as long as you want because it totally depends from problem to problem and person to person, and the most important ingredient is faith. So if you do it with faith, you will see magical results immediately, and if you have a little faith, keep practicing it for as long as you can so that it starts giving you also magical results. So if you promise me to practice this 444 technique, type I promise in the comment section so that we can come up with more such videos. And do not forget to subscribe the channel if not already subscribed. Share the video with any of your loved ones whom it can help. Thank you and I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you.